What's going on, guys? CV Sneaks back with another video. Today I actually have a live cop of the Yeezy Waverunners. So I actually got two pairs. The first pair I'm getting right here, I was using Casper Cop, but as you'll see later on in the video, I actually got one manual, so I was trying to do both at the same time. That's why it looks kind of like I was going a little slow on both of them, because I was trying to focus on both of them at the same time. But I started mainly focused on Casper at first because I wanted to guarantee a personal pair. But as you see, the orders being processed, it popped up that the password page was live. I had the notifications on, but as I was waiting, it has a feature where if you click that little shopping cart in the bottom right, it pops up what sizes are available, and you can pick on whatever size you want, and it'll have the auto checkout link, so you can just skip the line and go straight there. And as I got there, Casper filled out most of the information, but like I said, I was focused on two things at once, so I didn't get to really process the order that fast, and I was trying to do both of them at the same time. But as you see, I'm solving the captchas, and I finally got it after like 3 attempts. But yeah, so I'm just waiting for the order to be processed and let it go through. But once you get to this, you're most likely guaranteed a pair. Like, once you see this little page right here, and as you see, I finally got the pair, and it gave me the confirmation that I got it. Now here's the second pair I got. This is I already had a pair and it was being processed. But if you ever have an auto checkout link, just go with the auto checkout link. All you have to do is click on it like I did, and it'll already have the shoe in the cart. All you have to do is enter in your information, and the simple autofill tool can help that. Like, I use Filler. You just put it on your information, it'll just autofill everything that you have in that to where it can find it. And then all you have to do is just click same shipping as billing, and you'll be good to process the order. I wasn't able to get any pairs off of Adidas. The bot I used was Soul Sorcerer, aka Soul Adidas, and for the past, ever since the Bape Dames came out, the bot hasn't. For Yeezy supply, all you really need is either just a fast Shopify bot, or you could even just use what like I did. I know you probably won't have auto checkout links, but they can be. You can find Twitter pages that will post them, or you can just wait for your order to be processed. You still have a good chance, even if you can't bypass the line. All you have to do is have a autofill, and them are free, so it's easy to cop on Yeezy supply. But as you see, I'm still trying to enter in the information, and now the order starts being processed, and there it is. There's the confirmation. I'm going to leave a link down in the description to my Twitter. If I ever get carts that I don't want from Adidas or don't need after I get my personal pairs, I'll either give some away or I'll sell them. Just follow my Twitter. It's going to be down in the description. If you guys enjoyed the video, leave a like. If you guys want to see more, subscribe. This is CV Sneaks. I'll see you guys next time.